SVR! SVR!
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orleans Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Tammany, southeastern Louisiana, southern Hancock County in southern Mississippi until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Holy crap!
At 2:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Slidell, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Slidell, Pearl River, Burlington, Shoreline Park, Lecombe, and Slidell Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 259 and 273. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 10. Interstate 12 between mile markers 78 and 84. Interstate 59 in Louisiana between mile markers 1 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Orleans and St. Tammany, and Hancock, Mississippi. Here is the tropical weather outlook.